So the 2024 World T20 is done and dusted. Missed Hurricane Beryl by a whisker. And maybe that's why we haven't heard any early assessment of the level of success or failure of the region hosting the tournament. We know that at least one country will not lose any money, and that is Jamaica, because we never spend none. But looking from a distance, though, there was not the kind of rousing support people were expecting. We had a few sold-out games, especially in the USA, and especially those involving India. But for the most part, there were empty grounds with lukewarm excitement. Of course, adding to that reality was the 9 o'clock morning starts for most of the games, pandering to the Indian audience at the expense of the typical Caribbean nighttime excitement. So the reports are not yet in, but if I were to hazard a guess, I would call the success of the 2024 World T20 tournament lukewarm. Lukewarm in the hot man. Look.